Very good day to all. I'm K.Bakiyaraj, working as Asst. Professor in the Department of MBA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajarakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to discuss the topic about what are the important features of management information system. So before getting into the features of MIS, I just want to brief about what do you mean by as MIS. So management information system or organized structures method of collecting the data from various sources, compile the data and representing in readable formats. So these MIS system, it helps the business leaders and managers making the effective strategic management right decisions. So what do you mean by the term as a MIS? So MIS is there is some few three different functions. One is the data collection and compiling the data. Compiling is manipulating the data into the terms and compile the data and representing or presenting the data in readable formats. It is benefit for the customers. The word that is in MIS. So these MIS is benefited for the entrepreneurs or the business leaders and the managers to took the right decision making with the right path. So this is we call as in what do you mean by the term as in MIS? And now we are going to discuss about list out the some few features of MIS. The first feature is about data integration. So what do you mean by the term as a data integration? So these MIS contain the data from various departments and the functions, giving the decision maker and comprehensive views of the organization data. Second features about the data storage. So data storage is the MIS store vast and variety of different data in particular database and making it more accessible and retrievable when it will be required. So this is we call as in data storage. Storage is where the data has been promptly stored in one particular place, we call as in data storage. And third one is data processing. So what do you mean by the term is the data processing? So the MIS processes the data to generate the meaningful informations. It can perform some few calculations and comparisons and other transformations for reporting into insights. Next feature is about user-friendly interface. So this is very important for the MIS. So the MIS typically have user-friendly interface that allows non-technical users to easily access and interact with the data. The word is user-friendly interface. Next feature is about customization. So what does it mean by the term as a customization? So customizes the MIS can be customized to meet an organization needs where the users can define the types of information where they want to access, how they are represented. So customizes, so based upon the customer needs, how the data has been promptly retrieved and promptly given to the users. This is what is said based in customization. And next one is real-time information. So always the MIS is do with the real-time information. The system may not do any fake type of the data, and it can take in only the real-time information part. So many MIS provides real-time or near real-time data updates, enabling the decision makers to access most current information to making the timely decisions. Next one is report generations. So MIS is after getting a data, after accumulating the data, it should be stored. It will be getting a data and doing some few manipulations and storing and retrieving and finally go for the report generations. So MIS generates various reports including some few standard reports, the ad hoc reports and exception reports. These reports help the managers to monitor and performance of the making right informed decisions. And the next one is about the security. So MIS always depend to the security. So all the some few access to the sensitive information is restricted and the measures have to be in place protect the data from unauthorized access or breaches. And the next feature is about the accessibility. So MIS can be assessed and remotively enabling the right decision makers to retrieve the information from any time. And fifth feature is about the data integrations with other systems. So always the MIS systems can integrate with other organization software systems such as ERP softwares and CRM and HCM systems. The next feature is about mobile compatibility. So many modern MIS systems nowadays, many modern MIS systems are merged with the mobile, compatible with the mobile devices that allow the users to access critical informations on go process. And the last feature about data analytics. So once the data has been compiled, next we'll go for research methodologies. So advanced MIS can incorporated for the analytics about the business intelligence tool for deep insight. They support predictive analytics. So these are all some of the features of the particular MIS system. Thank you.